Will 5G destroy life on planet Earth? Anthropogenic, or man-made, electromagnetic noise, also referred to as electromagnetic radiation or pollution, has been proven to have an extremely negative impact on birds and bees' ability to navigate or migrate seasonally, because 5G and other artificial electromagnetic fields interfere with their biological magnetic compass and badly impair their ability to sense the Earth's natural magnetic field. And, in a less complicated chain reaction, high-frequency electromagnetic fields can have a heating effect on living organisms within their range. Aside from birds and other migratory insects and animals, bees, specifically the honeybees, carry with them a large burden for the rest of the world in the work that they do daily. The economical role of honeybees in worldwide pollination has been valued to be around $200 billion worldwide annually. So, the effect of 5G on honeybees is particularly consequential to all life. Various beekeepers, researchers, and scientists have conducted studies for over a decade and have found some alarming results regarding 5G, cell phone radiation, and even radio waves. Cell phone radiation can weaken the immune system of honeybees, making them more susceptible to diseases and parasites that could ultimately lead to their untimely death. Magnetically sensitive substances called cryptochromes control their immune system and help them navigate. These cryptochromes become impaired by human-made oscillating electromagnetic fields, leading the bee colony to collapse. In a study in India, mobile phones were attached to beehives, and as a consequence, lower stocks of food were built up. The bees became disoriented, oftentimes not returning to the hive after foraging for food and pollen in the surrounding trees and fields, leaving their queen bee to fend for herself. This anthropogenic electromagnetic radiation also makes the honeybees restless, develop an urge to swarm, become increasingly aggressive. It slows the rate of honeybee egg laying and honey production. In a study conducted by the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, active mobile phone handsets had a dramatic impact on the behavior of the bees, and the electromagnetic radiation induced the bees to sound their worker piping signal. In natural conditions, worker piping either announces the swarming process of the bee colony or is a signal of a disturbed bee colony as a primer for a mass swarm exodus. The honeybees were also anxious in their returning behavior to the hive after foraging. According to their research, the colony could collapse in 5 to 10 days when a mobile phone is kept near a hive. According to Academy of Science and the Journal of the American Medical Association, 5G's electromagnetic radiation can cause the brain of human beings to become hyperactive and overloaded, leading to loss in concentration, ADHD, damage to DNA, loss of fertility, and cancer. Membrane leakage can also open the blood-brain barrier, leading to Alzheimer's, dementia, asthma, allergies, and various autoimmune disorders. Of course, many sources dispute these claims that assert the negative effects of 5G on populations worldwide. However, its interference with the biological function of birds and bees is indisputable. And according to Albert Einstein, quote, "If the bee disappeared off the surface of the globe, then man would only have 4 years of life left. No more bees, no more pollination, no more plants, no more animals, no more man. If the bee disappears from the surface of the earth, man would have no more than 4 years to live." So either directly or indirectly from the honeybee's colony collapse disorder, 5G artificial electromagnetic radiation fields could wipe humanity off the map and potentially destroy all life on planet Earth, turning the world into a wasteland. But hey, at least there'll be a high-speed internet connection.